Hello. I will explain the library management system project implemented in CPP. The system helps to manage a collection of books in a simple library environment. The main features are adding new books, listing all books, issuing books and borrowers, and returning issued books. Let me walk you through the code structure. First, we have a book struct. It stores details about each book, including an ID number, title, author name, and whether the book is currently issued or available. Next, we have a library class. This class manages a collection of books using a vector container from the CPP standard library. It also keeps track of the next book ID to assign when adding new books. The class provides four main functions. The first one is add book. This function asks the user to enter the title and author of an ebook, assigns it a unique ID, and stores in the library. The second one is list book. This function displays all books in the library, showing their ID, title, author, and states whether issued or available. The third one is issue book. Here, the user inputs the ID of a book to issue. If the book is available, the function marks it as issued. Otherwise, it informs the user that the book is already issued. Last one is return book. This function allows the user to return an issued book by entering its ID. It updates the book status back to available. In the main function, the program repeatedly shows a menu where the users can select any of these operations or exit the program. Input validation and basic error messages are included for a smooth user experience. The program is written in standard CPP and is compatible with older compilers such as Deep Dev CPP. When I run this code, the first one is add book, list books, issue book, return book, and exit. For example, add book, enter book title, uh, Lolita, and ask us enter author name, Nabokov, and book added successfully. And add one more, uh, Alizis, and author name is James Joyce, and add one more, Dublin, and author name is James Joyce again, and second one is list books. These are the books ID1, ID2, and ID3. All of them are available on issue book. For example, the third one is issue. Successfully and return list available and issued. Issue one more is successfully and list again available and issued. And third one is return. Book returned successfully. List again. Yeah. Issued, available, and available again. Thank you for listening.